tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to change your subject's hair color. So I have here a photo of my nephew and daughter, and we're wanting to change his hair to kind of a really dark green with some black in it. So we're going to use the Camera Raw filter to do this, and I'm going to start by creating a copy of the layer, so a duplicate layer, and I'm going to go to Filter, Camera Raw, Filter, and obviously I haven't finished editing the rest of it, or I have, but not on this particular version. So I'm going to use the adjustment brush for this, and usually when I'm doing this, I'll kind of just start with whatever my last default settings were and brush it where I want, and then I'll kind of go from there. So obviously right now it's too blue. But let me just get it on here, and you're just going to brush over everywhere that you want it to go. If you go outside of the areas, that's okay. You can either brush it off in here by hitting erase and kind of brush it off like that, or you can use your layer mask and do it that way. So I'm going to kind of brush that off of the areas I don't need it, and I'm going to add a little bit more up here. Kind of miss some spots. Oops, I'm creating a new one. I don't want to do that. Still working with this one. Okay. I think we're good enough for now. So what I'm going to do is start moving the settings to get what I want. So his hair is going to be kind of similar to the background, the lockers there. And I might be able to achieve that with the tint and temperature, or I might need to actually put some color into it down here. So get it pretty yellow, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get it green enough. Raise the saturation and lower the exposure some so it's a little bit darker. And I think I need to put a color. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And you can see obviously it went over onto his skin, so I'll brush that off. But I would just kind of adjust the settings to get the color that I want. So if I want it to be the contrast to be darker, if I want to see more black in there, more highlights, and then whenever you get it to the point that you want, make sure you've gotten everything selected there. There's a little bit out here. Just hit OK. And then from here, you're going to want to create a layer brush or a layer mask, and pull up your black brush and brush that off of anywhere that you don't want it. So kind of around the locker here, there's a little bit of a halo, so I'll kind of brush that off. And then obviously off of his skin, I will go on to change his skin color a bit to kind of make him kind of pale and a little green. But you would just kind of work like this, and you can create multiple layers, adjustment layers in Camera Raw. So if you want, you know, for instance, if you wanted her hair to be rainbow striped, you could do that. So a lot of options there. So once you mess around with that, then this was what the finished product was. So you can see he's got some highlights in there, some darker colors, and the green. So not too difficult. But that is it for this tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
video. Make sure you stay connected with Urban Rhino on social media. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and of course, subscribe to our channel.